Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to unbox my father's gift, that is Trio Messager. His Louis Vuitton bag that I gave to him as for his birthday. So I just decided to do an unboxing video before handling it to him. Okay, so let's go with the details without wasting your time. Okay, so that's the box, that's how it is. Okay, and open it like this. So you see that the box has a magnet closure. You can see that here like this. It has a magnet closure, and now when you open it, that's how it is inside. This is the receipt. Okay, the strap, 1 2 3. Okay, 3 dust bags. This is the biggest bag. That's the biggest bag. Okay, and this is the dust bag. See, Louis Vuitton is well printed here, and that's it. Okay, this is the other bag, the dust bag, the small bag. Okay, and this is the little key holder. Okay, and this is the strap. So now let's start talking about the strap detailing. You see that Louis Vuitton is well printed on the strap, and the strap is adjustable. That's how it is. This is the buckle. That's how it is. Okay, so here, this is the biggest bag among the 3. That's how it is. It's in Eclipse monogram all around. Okay, so when you open it, inside there is a flat back pocket here. Okay, and in that flat back pocket, the serial number is here. You can find it there. Okay, so under the lining is in in microfibers. You see that the linings are well immaculate. Okay, that's all about the biggest bag of the Trio Messager. That's it. Okay, now talking about the little one, it's in Eclipse monogram here, and in front is in the Eclipse monogram, reverse Eclipse monogram. Here is in Eclipse monogram, and here is in the reverse Eclipse monogram. Okay, so now place it here. You see the little coin pocket is in Eclipse monogram here, Eclipse monogram, reverse Eclipse monogram here, and Eclipse monogram this way. That's how it is. And now, how to join all of them. Okay, so let's just start with the bigger one. We hook it here. We take this side of the little one, we hook it here. Okay, so now the other one, we take the bigger bag, we hook it here, and we come with the little one, we hook it here. Okay, so now to make it look to know the front of the front part of the bag, you have to check here on the letters here. Okay, so now this is the coin purse, and the coin purse will be here. Okay, we just hook it here. That's how it is. That's how the bag is. I hope you love this video. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to have more unboxing. See you next time. Bye bye.